If you're using a prescription insert with an Eclipse frame, the insert will be attached to the back of the frame when shipped to you. Hold the frame with the telescopes pointing away from you and pinch the bridge of the frame. Apply gentle pressure with your thumb to carefully slide the insert out from left to right until it fully clears the shoulder screws. This can be a tight fit. Place only enough pressure to coax the insert into moving. The back of your prescription insert has a mount that slides over the two shoulder screws on the back of your Eclipse frame. To install the insert, hold the frame firmly with the telescopes pointing away from you and slide the prescription insert's channel horizontally from right to left over the shoulder screws until it is fully seated. Loupes offer flexibility to choose whether you are wearing prescription lenses or contacts. When wearing contacts, remove the prescription insert and slide in the quick disconnect nose pad in the same manner as you would add your insert. When not in use, properly store the insert in the included satin bag to prevent scratches, along with your loupes in the case. Thanks for watching. For more videos about your Q Optics loupes, subscribe to our channel.